प्रमोशन चाहिए था, वी गॉट दैट प्रमोशन, लेकिन अब हमें उस चीज को डील करना नहीं आ रहा, द न्यू सर्कमस्टांसेस, द न्यू पीपल, द न्यू एनवायरमेंट, न्यू टाइप ऑफ वर्क, न्यू पोजीशंस, न्यू एक्सपेक्टेशंस, राइट? सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स दे क्रिएट द स्ट्रेस। और उसमें होता क्या है, जो हमारा जो एक बैलेंस होता है इन आवर वर्क, इन आवर फैमिली, वो हमारा कहीं ना कहीं उस डिस्टर्ब होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है, right? So thumbs up if all of you agree that stress is good but at a limit, सिर्फ लिमिट में होना चाहिए, it should be balanced. So welcome to today's workshop, and today we will be discussing on various aspects of the stress, how to deal with the stress, what are like you can see the objectives of the stress. We have to identify the causes, what causes the stress, जो हमारे स्ट्रेसेस होते हैं वर्क प्लेस पे, इवन वी कैन डिस्कस द स्ट्रेसेस एट अवर फैमिली लेवल, practical stress management techniques which we can use, and of course the how we can shift our mindset, which all activities we can use to deal with the stress. So this is all about the objective of the today's workshop. Now you can use the chat box, all of the participants can use the chat box and rate your stress level at this moment on the scale of 1 to 10. So like I'm giving this workshop, so I am, my stress level at this point is 6, because I have to lead this lead this stress workshop. So I am writing 6. Okay, Lina, great. My stress level at this point is 6. Yes, so I could get one more answer that was not meeting the expected outcome. Yes, okay, great. Some more answers from here. All right.
Because, I'm just observing the workshop and I'm just out shopping and also basically at this moment, my stress is 1, but it is just at this moment. That's all.
Okay, nice, nice. All right, great. Okay. So we have seen that right now the stress level in our participants is, like it is ranging from somewhere around 1 to 5 only. I have the highest level because I am of course leading this workshop. So mera stress level thoda sa zyada hai, but all of the other participants, because it is Sunday evening, so and we are actually having this interactive kind of workshop, so sabka stress level thoda come hai. That is a good point. That is a good point. Okay, only I am stressed. Okay, so now if I talk about now, like Lina has already told that why she's having that kind of one only stress. So because she's shopping and she's taking this workshop, what about the others? So if I talk about uh, okay, Gunjan, your stress level is 4. So what do you feel around you? What are the things that create the stress level, or we can say that is creating a mid type of a stress level? Like I said, my stress level is 6 because I'm leading this workshop. So Gunjan, what about you? Why do you feel the stress level at this moment is 4 for you? You can type your message if you want. And I need some more answers coming up. Oh, okay. So already we are having blues over here. All right. What about Jatin? You have mentioned 5. Yes. Any other answers? Pragati, 3. What are the factors that are influencing you? Okay, same. All right.
Actually, Vidhi, I'm not stressed. I'm actually sad. So that is why I just wrote it 3.
Okay. All right. Okay, so we have already now got aware about our stress level at this moment of time. So now let me share one of the experience that I just recently experienced that. So there was one, dedicated manager. Her name was Priya. So she always tries to give her best at work. So now to give her best, she wakes up early, then she responds to all the emails because she's on the WhatsApp even before breakfast. So like she's cooking and she's replying to the emails or to the WhatsApp messages, official messages. And you know what I have observed, sometimes she was so stick with the deadline that she used to even like skip the meals, that I have this deadline coming, so she would skip the meals. Now over time what happened, because of her this being too perfectionist, the late nights and the endless meetings start taking a toll over her physical and over her mental health. One day, what happened? She forgot an important presentation, leaving her team scrambling. That night, I would say that was the moment when Priya stared at her laptop and she was totally exhausted and overwhelmed, questioning if she can keep up. तो हमारे साथ भी ये सब लाइफ में होता है कि हम अपने ही आई वुड से अपने ही हम एक चक्रव्यूह में इतने ज्यादा फंस चुके होते हैं कि हमने ही अपनी डेडलाइंस बनाई हुई हैं, वी आर गिवन सम टाइप्स ऑफ डेडलाइंस, वी आर गिवन सम काइंड ऑफ वर्क, कुछ कमिटमेंट्स होते हैं हमारे पर्सनल लेवल पे, हमारे प्रोफेशनल लेवल्स पे, एंड देन वी आर ट्राइंग टू वी ट्राई टू मीट ऑल ऑफ देम। एम आई राइट? ऐसा होता है हम सबके साथ कि हम बहुत ज्यादा कोशिश करते हैं अपने आप को ओवर स्ट्रेच करने की, कि आज के इस 24 घंटे में हम ये भी डाल लें, हम ये भी डाल लें और हम ये भी डाल लें। एम आई राइट समवेयर? यस, प्रगति इज अग्रीइंग। एनीबडी एल्स हु अग्रीज? और कौन डिसअग्री करता है, दे कैन जस्ट से कि नहीं आई डिसअग्री, राइट? So now what happened with this girl Priya? So one mentor entered her life, then she notices Priya, her lifestyle, उसने क्या क्या उसकी लाइफ में स्ट्रेस थे उनको ऑब्जर्व किया, बट देन शी स्टार्टेड शेयरिंग सम सिंपल एंड इफेक्टिव स्ट्रैटेजीज. She was told to take mindful breaks. We would understand what is the meaning of mindful breaks. Again, prioritizing task. जो हमारे टास्क है उनकी हमें एक सेट डेडलाइंस बनानी है, प्रायोरिटाइज करना है हमें उन्हें, एंड सेटिंग द बाउंड्रीज. Now when Priya started applying these techniques, she started to regain control over her life again. Now there was more productivity because she was having that type of meaningful or mindful breaks in between. She was taking care of herself also. Then her productivity gradually improved. क्योंकि होता क्या है, जब हम बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड होते हैं, हम बहुत ज्यादा अपनी एक डेडलाइंस को, अपनी वर्क को बहुत ज्यादा हम वो कर देते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा हम एम्फोसाइज करते हैं, एट दैट टाइम हम कहीं ना कहीं अपनी केयर से अपने आप को हटा रहे हैं, एंड देन इट स्टार्ट टेकिंग योर मेंटल पीस, राइट? सो अब इस सिचुएशन में कभी कोई आया हो, दे कैन गिव यस ऑन द चैट बॉक्स और दे कैन गिव अ थम्स अप. किसी ने ये सिचुएशन कभी एक्सपीरियंस करी हो कि while meeting the deadlines, yeah, being like perfectionist, we missed something so important in our life? Anybody who has experienced the same? Okay, Arya got that. Anybody else? सब अपनी लाइफ में अच्छे से मैनेज्ड हैं, that means? Okay, great to know that all of us are managed. So now here I'll just share this. Wait. Let me share my screen once. Yeah, I hope everybody could see my screen. Okay, so here we have, you can meet Priya, who had so many posted clips over her mind, and she's floating in these clips, right? We have so many chores to finish, so many deadlines and whatnot, right? So this is how we are actually, that we feel stressed at so many times. हम अपने चक्रव्यूह में पूरे के पूरे घिर चुके होते हैं. Now to break this, we have to apply some techniques. कुछ हमारे पास में techniques हैं, कुछ हमारे पास में tools है that we can apply and use the breaks to gather the control over our life. So now if I talk about the next thing, all right. So I hope everybody has pen and paper. If not, तो आप एक छोटा सा pen and paper ले लीजिए. I'll just play a small game with you. Very small. सबके पास है पेन एंड पेपर, so they can give me a hands up, thumbs up. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I will be telling, or I would be announcing some parameters, some stress parameters. Okay, great Gunjan, great Pragati. So I would be announcing some parameters, and whichever are applicable to you, you just write that in your notebook, in your pen, in your paper, whatever paper you have. Okay, so we are over here, we are playing this game of stress bingo. So it is like a tambola. So whatever the things, they are applicable to you, so you can write those, and if it is not, then you just leave it. So I would be taking out, I will be calling the first stress parameter, and the first first stressor, I would say first stressor is tight deadlines. So whosoever feel that stress is there in their life, they can write TD. Okay, you can write TD in your paper. The first stressor is TD. The second stressor is unclear job expectations. Unclear job expectations का कोई मतलब बताएगा? Anybody? They can write in the chat box if not able to speak. So unclear job expectations means हमें एक काम तो कर रहे हैं, बट हमें ये नहीं पता what is expected out of me. हमें ये नहीं पता कि हमें करना क्या है. We are just making some guesses कि शायद यही वर्क मेरे से चाहिए. So that is also one of the stressor. वो भी एक स्ट्रेस रीजन होता है हमारी लाइफ में. We have that sleepless nights क्योंकि हमें पता ही नहीं कि हमें क्या करना है. Okay. Next, fear of job loss. The next stressor is fear of job loss. अगर वो किसी को लगता है कि वो उनका stress reason है, so they can write that. If not, just leave it. Don't write it. Then the next is poor work relationships. जो हमारे वर्क प्लेस पे रिलेशनशिप्स होते हैं, जैसे हमारे कोलीग्स के साथ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो गया, या मैनेजर्स के साथ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो गया, या हमारे जो कोलीग्स हैं उनके साथ में हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो पहले बॉन्डिंग थी वो अब नहीं है. Or sometimes we feel that there is a conflict of the authority, but everything related to the workplace. So conflict in the workplace, agar wo kisi ka stress reason hai, so they can write that also, conflict in workplace. Next is fear of, sorry, this I have already done, fear of job loss. Next is inadequate compensation. Inadequate
Excuse me,
compensation.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Actually, I'm not sharing right now. I'll share it afterwards. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next is, sorry, I just forgot. Yeah, so next is inadequate compensation. So whatever compensation we are getting, we feel that it is not up to us. So that also causes the stress in us sometimes. So जिसके साथ भी ये है, वो please इसको टिक लगाएंगे या उसको लिख लेंगे. Okay, so now let me just share my screen. Yes, so we have here all of these parameters that I was just saying. Identifying workplace stresses. So अब इन 5 में से किनके 2 टिक हुए हैं? They can raise their hands, or they can give a thumbs up, or they can write in the chat box. Whosoever got 2, कि उनके उसमें stresses में 2 आते हैं, so they can write in the chat box. जिनके 3 आते हैं, they can also write in the chat box. Okay, Pragati. Great. All right. Anybody with all of 5? जिसके सारे 5 टिक हुए हों? They can just give a thumbs up. And anybody with only 1 or 0? जिसका एक भी ना हुआ हो वो भी प्लीज लिखें, और जिसके सारे हुए हैं वो भी लिखें. ओ गुंजन, you're 4. Wow, Vinay, it's 0. So none of these. Any other factor that you feel you can write it there? Maybe the participants can also benefit from that, which I haven't listed here. Okay, Dr. Chandrakant says 1. All right. Vinay, anything from you that this is one of the stressor that ma'am you have missed? You can just write it down. If you want, you can speak also. It's okay. Okay. Any other responses? Okay. All right. So now we have seen that there are so many stressors in our life. Now to overcome those, I have created some techniques which can actually help you to overcome those stresses. While they are very small things that you can do even in your workplace or even while working in the kitchen. Anything, like they don't require much of the effort or much of the practice. These are just the things that you need to be mindful of. So I'll just yes, so first thing that you can see is 3-minute reset. So anything you got this from 3-minute reset, क्या समझ में आता है इससे कि क्या मतलब बन सकता है? You can just give some guesses. Yes, Pragati, Jatin, any guesses from this 3-minute reset, what this could be? Any answers for this, what it could be? 3-minute reset. So 3-minute reset is whenever we are in a stressful situation, just take a pause and reset your mind. Think of some positives in that situation. Okay, so like if, for example, if I am right now, I'm taking this workshop and I feel that I am bombarded with so many questions or something like that, that at that moment in my mind only, I would just take a pause and I would try to regain the control कि मेरे आसपास क्या हो रहा है. I will just take 3-minute pause. I might take some deep breaths. हम एक deep breaths ले सकते हैं या हम counting कर सकते हैं, count backward. So 10, 9, 8, 7, or you can start from 20. So 20, 19, 18, 17. So that you cut yourself from that situation and then you start it again. And believe me, it works. It works like miracle. आप जब उस सिचुएशन में एक बारी को कट हो जाते हो और जब आप वापस आते हो एट दैट टाइम यू विल फील दैट आपने जब उस प्रॉब्लम को देखा, सो यू गेव इट अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. Okay, so let's do some deep breathing exercises right now so that you know how to do this 3-minute reset. Okay, so whatever I tell you, just follow that. It is like a guided deep breathing exercise so that you know how to reset yourself. All right, so all of us are ready for this exercise. Okay, this is not going to be very challenging. It is simple breathing exercise. Okay, close your eyes. Inhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4 seconds. 1. And exhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it once more. Take normal breath in. Exhale it out. Now let's do deep breathing again. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take a normal breath. Not a deep breath, normal breath. Take 1 or 2 normal breaths. Do it once more. Inhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now stand up and do a quick stretch. Just stretch yourself. You can just stand on your toes. अपने toes पे खड़ो के अच्छे से अपने hands को अच्छे से करेंगे and just take a stretch. Yes. कैसा लगा? How was this deep breathing? How was this deep breathing exercise? You can just, shout out your answers. Was it good? How did you feel after this? Yes, Lena, are you there or you are in the shopping only? Could you do this exercise, Lena? Yes, Jyoti, Neelam, anybody? Anybody wants to share their experience about how was this? All right. So I'm taking this as all of you got it very nicely. All right. So now again, the next technique, the next tool that is with you always is reframing your stressful thought. So whatever stressful thought you have to take a positive out of that. Okay. So for example, if I see, all right, so right now, I feel stressed that nobody is responding or nobody is answering. Right. So this is a stressful thought for me that, oh my God, I don't know whether I'm doing good or not. So I am now reframing it that maybe I'm doing so good that everybody is involved in my session. So this is how I have reframed my stressful thought into a positive one. So you also can take a one situation from your life and rephrase it. Okay, I got some answers. Gunjan, yes. Yeah, okay, great. Okay, so now take a one situation from your stressors and then try to reframe that. Okay, so all right, let's go to Jyoti. So Jyoti, abhi aap, if you cannot turn on your camera, just reply me. You can unmute yourself. Jyoti, are you with me? Okay, anybody else who wants to volunteer for this activity? Who is there right now? Yes, Neelam, Vinay, Jatin, anybody who can volunteer for this activity? It is going to be very simple one, not a difficult one. Yes, Niharika. All right. Thank you, Niharika, for volunteering for this activity. Let's give her a clap. You can just show the emojis. Okay, I'm showing one emoji. Oh, great. So, Niharika, you can say many emojis now. All right, Niharika. So, okay, Niharika, you can unmute yourself if possible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Niharika. Thank you for volunteering. Okay, so Niharika, any stressor or any कोई भी आपको factor लगता है जो आपकी life में stress create करता है?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Being a dietitian, it's like many a times when my clients are not doing that good, or sometimes it's like even after doing a lot of counseling, if they're not able to understand what I mean to say and how they need to go with the consistency, that makes me really in a stressful condition.
ओके, तो अभी आपने जो अपना बताया स्ट्रेस का, मुझे एक स्ट्रेसर या एक स्ट्रेस फैक्टर दैट इज पीपल नॉट फॉलोइंग डाइट्स, कैन आई से दैट?
No, not exactly following diet, but maintaining consistency
ओके, being
about the lifestyle
consistent in their
changes.
efforts, being
Hmm.
consistent in their efforts,
Yes.
right? Okay,
Yes.
so now how can you rephrase this in a positive manner?
Hmm.
So we are saying not being consistent,
Hmm.
अब इसको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है हमने,
Hmm.
how will you do that?
So, in
इस
that case,
सिचुएशन में पॉजिटिव क्या निकाल सकते हैं हम?
so in that case, many a times what I feel or what I try to like convince myself with is like, okay, it's like sometimes being human, there are few of the things which
Yes,
are like not in our control, and they should be allowed to go out of the track sometimes.
yes. So Niharika has told very one very good point, being human, right?
Hmm.
And being human and understanding their limitations,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
okay, Niharika, now if I call about one positive thought that could strike at this time, being human, yeah, you know, understanding their limitations is a neutral type of a thing, but if I want you to rephrase it in a positive way, एक positive thought देते हैं इसको.
Okay. So in that case, I'll try to find out कि okay, out of 100%, they are trying their 70 to 80% of the
Yes,
time they are trying to manage, and it's like 20 or 30%. It's like sometimes they can go off the
yes.
schedule.
Yes, so you can phrase it like this or rephrase it like this कि चलो शुक्र है 50% तो कर रहे हैं.
Yes, yes, yes. That's what I usually try to do.
Yes, and like if I were you, so I would have also thought कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, इतनी जल्दी वेट लॉस हो जाएगा तो मेरे पास वापस कैसे आएगा?
No, over here, my it's like overall my thing is how ki it's like people who are there with me, they should never come back to me.
No,
That's
that
what
is fine.
I
But अभी तो हम इस yes, but अभी तो हम इसको rephrase कर रहे हैं ना कि पैसे
हाँ
आएंगे.
हाँ हाँ.
ठीक है, चलो कोई
Yes,
बात
yes,
नहीं,
yes.
पैसे आएंगे.
Yes, yes, yes,
Right,
true.
of course, this is like you said that if you have that kind of a business model where they
Hmm.
shouldn't come back to you again,
Yes, yes,
then of course this is going to be a stressor for you. I agree.
yes.
But now because we have to rephrase this, so you say okay fine, नहीं हो रहा,
Hmm.
ठीक है, 50% रिजल्ट मिलेगा, कोई बात नहीं, I'll say them कि ठीक है, अभी आपने 50% किया, देखो इतना रिजल्ट आ गया, आप
Hmm.
वापस आ जाओ, 50% और जाएगा तो आपके पास तो और पैसे आएंगे. So we are
Hmm.
rephrasing that negative or that stressful thought into a positive one, right? And like you said
Right.
already that 50% तो कर रहे हैं, शुक्र इतना तो कर रहे हैं, इतना भी नहीं करते तो फिर क्या होता?
That's true.
Right? Okay, yes, Leena, you want to volunteer? Thank
Yeah,
you.
not volunteer, ma'am. Actually, I was traveling. I was a bit inactive. I couldn't hear. Like, in nice that I joined back. And
Okay, okay.
what I was saying, like in this reframing now, I think one affirmation that I follow, should be helpful for anybody, that
Yes, yes.
everything happens for good. जितना भी stressful हो ना, I mean, whatever it is in life, if we think that there is a positive side to everything that is happening, that
Yes, yes.
everything happens for good,
Yes. So,
this affirmation itself will help in reframing the
yes.
thought.
So we have to take out the positives, and if we are not able to take out the positives of that situation, then we have to rephrase our negative thoughts into a positive one. Okay. थोड़ा कई बारी हमें लगता है कि वो शायद झूठ भी है, बट इट्स ओके. अगर हम उस झूठ को जिएंगे नहीं तो हम आगे काम नहीं कर पाएंगे. उस झूठ से किसी का कोई बुरा नहीं हो रहा ना. अगर आज निहारिका ने ये सोच भी लिया कि ठीक है, मेरा बिजनेस मॉडल ये है कि दे शुडंट कम बैक टू मी, अब वो खुद ही एफर्ट नहीं मार रहे हैं, तो it is causing stress to Niharika now. What can she take out the positive from this? That okay, fine, 50% weight loss तो हो गया ना. तो अभी हो सकता है अगले 50% के लिए वो वापस आ जाएंगे मेरे पास, एंड आई गेट सम फीस, right? So this is how we are rephrasing our thoughts. We are rephrasing the stressors into a positive one.
True.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Anybody else who wants to volunteer या किसी को नहीं rephrase करना आ रहा, so they can come. Okay. So I take it that everybody is able to do so. Okay. So how successful or how good you feel, how impactful this activity was? Could you find that this or could you feel that this activity would help अगर आप ये rephrase करते हैं इस चीज को, और या फिर अगर आप इन थॉट्स को, नेगेटिव थॉट्स को पॉजिटिव में चेंज करते हैं, डू यू फील दैट ये आपको एक्चुअली हेल्प कर सकता है? Anybody would like to share their views on this? Okay, Niharika, great, thank you. Anybody else? Yes, Vinay, Jatin. Neelam, Sumit, any of other inputs? Yes, Leena, have you raised your hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I want to share an experience that,
Okay.
like how reframing thought into negative thought into positive thought really helps. It is like this, kabhi kabhi, like as ladies and all that, sometimes we feel a kind of malaise in the body. जब कुछ भी tiresomeness आता है या तबीयत खराब रहता है, hormonal problems हो रहे हैं, तो you feel very bad in the body, malaise जैसा रहता है, anxiety भी शुरू हो जाता है उस वक्त
Yes,
कि now
yes.
what will this lead to? इतना तबीयत खराब हो रहा है, and what will it lead to? Will I faint, or will I, like dizziness आएगा या
Yes,
क्या
yes,
होगा?
yes.
At that time, if you're very scared and all now, then the thing increases
Yes.
actually.
So it will increase
I mean,
multifold.
the distress will increase and the symptoms also seem to aggravate na. So at
Yes.
that time you take control of your mind and think okay, jo hoga, I mean it is like what I think, that at that time, when I'm very scared ki body mein kuch itna ye ho raha hai, what will become, I mean ye severe ho jayega, yeah. At that time, I I just think कि there are so many people in this world, जैसे soldiers और ये सब लोग who are just giving their lives up just like
Yes.
that, and they are so brave, they are doing अब हमारा शरीर में कुछ भी see so I mean they are taking the inevitable so lightly, I mean इतना sportively ले रहे हैं, and एक disease को लेके we are getting scared. I mean, am I so weak? इस
See,
किस्म का
so you
जब
have, yes, so you have replaced your negative thought into a positive thought, and you
Yeah.
you have overcome that by saying कि मैं इतनी weak नहीं हूँ, मैं बहुत strong हूँ to fight this disease.
हाँ, जो मैं fear करके overawed by the disease, अब जब ये fear को मैं replace करती हूँ rationalize करके अपने आप
Yes.
को हिम्मत देके, then you will see that the bodily symptoms also automatically उतना
Yes.
aggravate नहीं होते
क्योंकि
हैं.
जो भी है, our mind is controlling.
Yeah.
And you have not given the power to the negative thoughts in your mind.
Yeah.
That is why this is a, this is a kind of a vicious circle. That is why I said ये चक्रव्यूह होता है, उसको
हाँ.
तोड़ना ही पड़ता है हमें. अब like Leena has very well said कि मैं कहती हूँ मैं इतनी वीक नहीं हूँ, मैं बहुत स्ट्रांग हूँ. अब भले ही वो अंदर से बहुत वीक हो रही हो, but because she has rephrased that one negative thought into a positive thought. So अगर उन्होंने उस टाइम पे एक छोटा सा झूठ अपने आप से बोला भी, but then what impact it has created is tremendous, right? It is like fabulous कि उसके बाद उन्होंने उसको rephrase कर दिया पूरे को ही.
and then you see ना, जो बॉडी में एक्चुअली हो रहा है वो अपने भय के कारण वो एग्रेवेट हो रहा था, लेकिन इट्स एक्चुअली लेसर देन व्हाट it is.
Yes.
I mean, actually this is for people who kind of get very scared of any situations and all. हिम्मत वालों के लिए तो नहीं है this example, but
Right.
I have seen like other people also, friends and family and all, The
Yes.
people who, you know, like there are people who are admitted in the ICU also, but they take it sportively.
Yes. Thank you,
And
Lena,
they
for
get
sharing all
well.
this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
They get, you know, like मैंने देखा थे speedy recovery भी होती है because the mind helps, you know.
Yes, बिल्कुल 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 आपने एक ठीक valid point बोला है. So this is how we all can we all can rephrase our thoughts, our negative thoughts into a positive one. Now, if there are some more techniques like the time management strategies. So अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, like you know, whenever the things are there in front of us and we are bombarded with the work, we don't try to prioritize. जो जो जैसे जैसे आ रहा है वो हम करना शुरू कर देते हैं, एंड उसमें क्या होता है कि जो हमारी टॉप प्रायोरिटी की थिंग्स होती हैं वो वो सफर करती हैं. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज प्रायोरिटाइजेशन. So there is, you know, one diagram which you can create in your books and in your notebooks. So under that you can write most important. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट आपका आ जाएगा मिडिल इंपॉर्टेंट और मिड इंपॉर्टेंट. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया जो आपको नेक्स्ट 24 आवर्स में करना है. मिड इंपॉर्टेंट जो आपको 1 to 2 days में करना है. देन जो लास्ट प्रायोरिटी है वो आपके 3 to 4 days वाले हैं. So you can create this prioritize or we can say priorities chart. This is known as priorities mind mapping. अगर आप एक इसको क्रिएट करके रखते हैं एंड देन यू आइडेंटिफाई योर अर्जेंट versus the important tasks. Now there is a difference in urgent and important task. Urgent है जो आपकी immediate attention मांगते हैं, right? Important है जो जरूरी है, but they might not be urgent. Okay, so can you get this difference in urgent and important task? Any examples? Anybody can share the examples of urgent and this important tasks. So urgent was like today, if I, yes, all is well. Yes, great. Good example, Gunjan. Yes. So urgent are जो जैसे अभी अगर कल मुझे ऑफिस जाना है, so I need my clothes to be ironed. So that is my urgent task. हो सकता है मेरे क्लोथ्स आयरन नहीं हो, so I would just start ironing them and then I have to give a presentation. I would prepare that presentation so that I can give that properly. I have to create a script and I have to do everything on that presentation. That is my urgent. But अब इसके बीच में important क्या है? अब इम्पोर्टेंट तो ये भी है कि मुझे खाना बनाना है, अब इम्पोर्टेंट तो ये भी है कि मुझे बच्चों को स्कूल भेजना है, अब इम्पोर्टेंट तो ये भी सब काम है ना. बट दे आर माई डेली वर्क. They are important, but at this moment my priority is to get myself prepared for tomorrow, because tomorrow is an important thing to be done in office. So this is the difference in urgent and important task. Most of the time हम important और urgent के बीच में ही जगल करते रहते हैं, and that is the reason कि हम deadlines को miss कर जाते हैं, क्योंकि हम important काम्स को urgent की तरफ replace कर देते हैं. Okay, so important is everything, of course, because we are human being. हम इस धरती पे ही काम करने के लिए आए हैं. So important is everything, but out of that important list, you have to identify 3 type of works: urgent, mid-urgent, and that could be done in 3 to 4 days. I hope this kind of a mind task, this kind of a mind map would help you. ये अभी everything is clear कि कैसे urgent and important को आपको bifurcate करना है. If anybody has question, they can ask me relating to this, so that otherwise I'll move ahead. Then we have time blocking. So in time blocking, what we do, we block the times. Like I said कि important and urgent को जब हमने किया, तो we have created a mind map. Now we are dedicating the time to urgent work, to mid urgent, and to the work that can be done over the 3 to 4 days. So we are blocking the times over there. Okay, so whenever you do this kind of the work, you can dedicate 30 minutes or 1 hour deadline to the urgent, depending upon the nature. And then again, we can move to the mid urgent, and then we can move to the things that can be deferred over the week. Because सारे काम important है, but हमें उसमें से urgents को निकालना है, right? And we have to block the time for those urgent works. All right, now The third thing is avoiding procrastination. जब हम इन चीजों में आते हैं, जब हम इनको important और urgent task की एक bifurcation बना लेते हैं, and it is written there, either in the Excel form or in the printout form, whatever forms you are comfortable with, at that time you would say, you would see that जो आपकी procrastination की जो intention होती है ना, वो भी बहुत हद तक हम उसको control कर पाते हैं, because you start ticking them. And just try today. आज आप एक बार इसको करके देखना. Whenever you start ticking ना कि आज का urgent work ये था, ticked. Next urgent work was this, ticked. You would find that you would sleep very peacefully. Okay, because आपकी procrastination नहीं है, आपने आज की to do list complete करी है based on your priorities, urgents, mid urgents, and of course the things that can be postponed to 3 to 4 days. So I think many of us has read that book na, Eat the Frog. किसने read करी है? Eat the Frog. Yes. So anybody has read that book, Eat the Frog? What is the frog here? You can just unmute yourself and speak. So frog is the... Yes, Niharika, would you like to say what is frog here? Eat the Frog. Okay, Gunjan has given one answer. All right, yes, quite close. Any answers for this? Eat the Frog? Anybody has read this book, they can give a thumbs up or they can just say yes.
Is it procrastination?
Yes. So the frog is the most difficult work in that day. So first of all, उसी frog को खा जाते हैं. तो जब हम उस frog को खा जाएंगे तो बाकी के सारे काम हमें बहुत easy लगेंगे. So that is why this book is Eat the Frog. Okay, so slides are visible or not?
Visible, ma'am.
Okay. Lena, I think there might be some problem because if the slides are visible to people. Okay, so now here another technique is, of course, prioritization और हमारा एक mind map बन गया है. Break the task into smaller steps and set the deadlines so that there is no motive और हमारी एक होती है ना temptation होती है तो procrastinate कि चलो कल कर लेंगे, right? So but then here we can just split them into smaller parts and then we can tick that ये भी हो गया, and then you will see that those smaller tasks were easier to achieve rather than one big whole task. Okay, so that is one way where you can you can use these techniques, time management techniques. Now we also have, whenever we are bombarded with a lot of stress and we're not able to manage, then we have certain kind of support system. We should build that support system. Like, nowadays we have so many WhatsApp group, but उनमें से भी हमें लगता है कि हम किन लोगों से बात कर सकते हैं, अपने दिल की बात हम किन से कहें. So try to build at least 1 or 2 friends from those groups, or you can just contact your mother, your father, your parents, your friends, so that you can just vent out whatever you are going through. So take the help of the support. Don't shy away कि मैं ये stress नहीं feel कर सकती हूँ. Maybe आप जो feel कर रहे हो वो सामने वाला भी feel कर रहा हो. जब आप उनसे बात करोगे हो सकता है वो भी बोल दे, okay, I am also going through this kind of stress. Okay, so we sometimes we say that share the stress and you're not passing it on. अगर आप share करते हो, so that is not a sign of your weakness. It is a sign that you are strong, that you can now make out कि नहीं अब ये stress में से उठाया नहीं जा रहा है. So take the help of the support system, whatever the friends, whatever communities are also there nowadays. We also have certain kinds of FB groups where you can find that kind of a support. And of course, if you feel that it is again going beyond control, take the professional help. You can seek therapy, you can seek counseling. There are many supports, and like nowadays it is no more a taboo कि आपने एक प्रोफेशनल से हेल्प मांगी एंड पता नहीं क्या ही हो जाएगा, लोग क्या कहेंगे. No, the times have changed now. Everybody is going through the stress. Markets are very uncertain. We all have unstable incomes. It's okay to be stressed. The first thing is it's okay to be stressful. Just accept it and then move on in your life. Now, whenever you go through a professional, then again you can use these strategies. So first is identify personal stresses and the symptoms. So अभी कुछ लोग ऐसे होंगे जिनको symptoms आते हैं कि they feel migraine. How many of you have felt migraine? I feel migraine whenever I am stressed. So any ailments you feel जब stress होते हैं कि you know like मेरी तो नींद उड़ जाती है या मुझे बीपी शूट कर जाता है या मेरा बीपी लो हो जाता है. So any of the inputs, any of the things that you also feel कि ये हो जाता है मेरे साथ whenever I am stressed. So identifying those symptoms. If anybody wants to share, they can share. They can use the chat box. And like we have identified the stresses, we have identified the symptoms. Now we can create some action plans. We can create the strategies. So 2 to 3 strategies I have discussed today also. Just try to use them and see how it is impacting you. Are they actually helpful or not? So just try and give it a try for 1 day, 2 days, and just observe what happens. Are they actually helpful? Right? So creating those kind of strategies that work for you and implementing them, and again reviewing and adjust. No, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि एक स्ट्रैटेजी एक के लिए यूजफुल होगी तो वो दूसरे के लिए भी वही सेम यूजफुल हो जाएगी. नहीं, we need various kind of strategies. कुछ टूल्स किसी के साथ वर्क करेंगे, कुछ टूल्स किसी के साथ वर्क करेंगे. But then again keep on doing. गिरना है लेकिन गिरे नहीं रहना है, उठना है. सो यू नो हम सोचते हैं कि अरे आज तो गिर गए, आज तो बहुत ज्यादा इसमें हम पूरे डूब ही गए. इट्स ओके, हम सभी गिरते हैं, वी ऑल फॉल डाउन, बट वी हैव टू राइज अगेन. सो falling is okay, accepting the fall is okay, and then you have to rise, and you have to rise being very very positive. So now I think yes, so I just conclude this workshop on this note that fall, rise, and then be positive. Or we can say fall, be positive, and rise. And that would be your mantra, so that you are not afraid to fall, but you have to rise with the equal strength. हमें उतने ही strength के साथ खड़े होना है और अच्छे से अपने काम को करना है. अपने वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस को मेंटेन करना है, स्ट्रेस में नहीं रहना है, स्ट्रेस को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. Okay, so that's all from my side for today's workshop. So the platform is now open for Q&A, and I hope I could do justice for your time. Some strategies which you liked, which you don't like. Okay, I'll share. Yes, surely.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम कि आपने वैल्यूएबल आपका टाइम दिया इतना लेट्स बी ओके को. और मुझे बताते हुए बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि हमारे साथ और भी हमारे स्पीकर जो हमारे साथ कनेक्टेड हैं वो जुड़े हुए हैं इसमें वेबिनार में. अभी
Okay,
एक
thank you.
मालविका मैम है जो कि हमारे पेरेंटिंग के ऊपर हमारा अभी इनका 7th को भी हमारा एवरी मंडे इनका स्टार्ट है एवरी 15 डेज के बाद. और साथ में लीना मैम के साथ हमारे स्पीकर, लीना मैम भी हमारे स्पीकर हैं और नीलम मैम से हमारी डिस्कस हुई थी इस बारे में. तो हमारे साथ जो हैं ऑल ओवर जुड़े हुए हैं, इनको अगर कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं मैम के रिगार्डिंग विधि मैम से वर्क स्ट्रेस को लेके तो आप बेझिझक पूछ सकते हैं. और इन फ्यूचर जो वेबिनार्स होंगे तो उन बेसिस पे विधि मैम आपके साथ कांटेक्ट में रहेंगे. यस, सोबिया मैम पाकिस्तान से हैं जो कि थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग मैम.
Thank you, Sophia ma'am.
यस मैम, हैंड ओवर टू यू मैम. अगर किसी को क्वेश्चन है तो वो पुट आउट कर सकता है.
Yeah, so yes, the platform is open for Q&A. Any improvements, any feedback, या कोई अपना experience if you wish to share, you can do that also. Like Lena has already shared one of her experience. Okay, Lena, right?
No,
You
thank
can
you, ma'am. Very good webinar, and you share very good strategies with us. encourage us to be positive at our workplace. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sobia ma'am. Thank you so much for attending this from Pakistan. So it was really pleasure to have you here. Okay, so any feedback or anything कोई आपने ऐसे कभी लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस किया हो like the strategies which we have discussed today, कुछ कोई इसमें से कुछ करता है पहले से या अभी आप ये सोचिए कि आप करना स्टार्ट करेंगे? So let's give a pledge on that also. So you can write in the chat box that I give the pledge to start using these strategies, at least one strategy.
Ma'am, if you
Yeah,
can,
Neha.
yeah, it was a really wonderful session. My pleasure to attend this.
Thank you.
But would like to get a proper Excel sheet or a pro forma where which can actually help that prioritizing the work
Yeah,
technique.
I'll share that for sure. I have
Because
that performer. I have one diagram with me. I'll share that. I'll share with the team. They will share in the group.
yeah, because that would be really helpful. You
Yeah,
really shared nice techniques. Few of them I'm already using, but I think these are few of the things which, if we can get it, it will be really helpful for everyone.
yeah. I'll share. I'll definitely share with you. I'll share with the team. They will help you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Okay, so have a good week ahead and hope to see you soon in my other workshops. Yeah. Gaurav sir, shall we proceed?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Okay then. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, thank you so much, all of
Okay.
you.
Bye. Yeah. Take care.
Yeah,
Take care.
bye-bye.
Yeah. Be positive. Okay. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
really, once again, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Gaurav sir.
Okay.
Okay.